Hi, welcome back to Veganaire. My name is Tamsin Putman, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the Rosy Radiance Body Balm. So this is a body balm, and I use this all over my body when I come out the shower, but also I've actually been using it on my face too, because it has a rose flower extract in it that really helps with my rosacea. So I also just dab it here and here where I have a bit of rosacea that's environmental, but this really helps to soothe it for me. So I just dab that on at night time. You know, I don't put this on underneath makeup or anything like that. I put it on at night time and let it nourish my skin, and it really heals my rosacea. So I would really recommend it for that as well. But predominantly this is a body balm, and it is super nutritious. It's got coconut oil in it, geranium oil, lavender oil, cacao seed butter, shea butter, vitamin E, and of course the rose flower extract. I pop this on, let me show you. You'd only need a little bit, it goes a long way. You can rub it into your fingertips to melt it slightly. And I find that I use it on my elbows a lot and the back of my arms, my knees, my ankles. I use it all over, and it smells beautiful. It's got a really pretty rose smell to it, and it's so nourishing. The shea butter and the cacao seed butter really moisturize your skin. There's coconut oil in there too, so it's super nourishing and moisturizing for your skin. Also, my daughter's been using it as well. So my daughter's been using this balm on her body too, and she really enjoys the smell of it, I think. All the products at Veganaire are certified organic and completely cruelty-free and vegan, obviously. And so I feel really comfortable giving this to my daughter to use on her skin. So thank you for joining me today, everyone. I really hope you enjoy the beautiful weather we're having at the moment, and I will see you again on the next video.